Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Kesha Haidum Sogni, I hope you all are doing great. So I saw video like last दोन video पोयली and shoot केलो and I asked you all like whether you all want my lipstick collection, lip products collection haul. So yes, here I'm doing it today. And this like I wanted to do it but then I was very busy also. So yeah, let's get started. And those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me all your love and support, guys. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First I'll show you all how many lip products I have. So yes, and today my base, I don't know, I just did makeup today, not using much products, just very minimal makeup. So yeah, it is so hot. I'm feeling so hot first of all over here, but then in room proper natural light out no video. So yeah, and yeah, let's get started. So here is one box and here is another one. Like these are all my makeup products, like all my lipsticks actually, and the other makeup products are there in another bag, but here I kept like the other like use केला. These are the new ones म्हणजे restock करून first only. So I'll show you all my lipstick collection. So here there are lip liners, lip tints, here there are lip tints, lipsticks. So I'll show you all of that. Okay, but yeah, ये दोन separate box में collection हाँ. So I love doing makeup. I love to create lip combos. So I have many lipsticks, lip liners, lip tints, then lip oils, then lip balm. So I will show you all. Like I have made certain categories, like म्हणजे इशकून divide करून दोले. But I thought of doing it, but तें झालं ना मग time मेळना separate करपा इशकून. But yeah, I'll show you all whatever I have. Okay, so let's get started. So here are the lip tints which I have. Okay, there are many. Okay, the first one which we have is these two. These two are gifted to me by my cousin. Okay, like she went to Dubai and she got these for me. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, and I don't use them much. Okay, आणि मातशें स्वॉच करूनय दाखयता तुमकां. Have just applied a lip tint, that's it. So yeah, okay, this is the first ones which I don't use much on a daily basis. Okay, the other favorite one which I have is this from the brand Romand. Okay, it is the cherry bomb in the shade 12 cherry bomb. And I'll tell you all guys, it looks so nice. Like I don't want to apply this, but I'll show you all the swatch of it. It's a very pretty color आणि अशें सगळे स्किन टोनाचेरूय बरो दिसतलो. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks and leaves a very subtle pink color. Okay, so yeah, next one we have this She Glam lip tint in the shade grapefruit. So this is also very pretty color, like kind of orangish peachish so, but both this order like suits on every skin tone I will feel. And better watery texture there is. Okay, this is how it looks on my skin. I'm a brown skin, so yeah, this is the earlier one, so I'm baking color, but yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, ishkon boro disoto, and yeah, see ishko color sota. So yeah, both this the color maka. Okay, then is this one. This my friend gifted me. The earlier one I have purchased it from the Tira Beauty. Okay, online purchase केलो आहे. Actually एजी story हाँ, my someone stole मगे lip tint in the college, lip tint and a blush, and I promised myself that I won't purchase more because I already have. But then I was eyeing on this since a very long time, so I thought let's purchase it. And that one was from the brand Face Shop, and that was my favorite. That was my second bottle actually. So yeah, I'll just put a picture up there, like so that you can see. Like I feel most of the girls will know about it. So yeah, that was my favorite what is this lip tint. That was my first time I have bought that from the Nykaa store from Panjim. But yeah, then after that I thought 10 next time purchase Korea. Now this is the one which I'm using currently. Like not every time, but yeah, most of the time. Then this one and this Benetint is gifted to me by my friend, the one who came down recently. So and then my friend, my cousin ko sa din dalwale, and this she gave me this time. And yes, it is, I don't know how to tell you all, this one is my favorite. It is a very it's subtle color, like to sota, so both the sota. Okay, looks very nice. I will make a separate video on this wherein I'm showing how it looks on my skin, but it looks very nice, light reddish so color sota. And then everyone's favorite, this is the Benetint. This is how it looks in the shade rose tinted. Okay, rose tinted it is. So this is the bottle. Looks so nice. So yes, this is my favorite, guys. I don't use it much, but it's very nice, very nice. I was not supposed to use any lip tint on my this thing, on my lips, because the stain begi nosna. But yeah, this is how it looks. It is my favorite. And even the other one which I like, so this one. Okay, so yeah, each color no ishkun dista, but it leaves very, this is in the shade mocha. Okay, this is in the shade mocha something. So it looks, it's in this shade. Okay, but it leaves a very pretty color. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. Wipe it out. Okay, this was my collection of lip tints. There were 1 2 3 4 5 6 lip tints. So here there are so many lipsticks. There are even more over there, but yeah, I think that is. So yeah, I'll show you all the browns, the nudes, then the reddish and the maroonish colors which I have. Okay, which I don't use mostly, but then I love lipsticks. So yeah, let's start with the brownish. Okay, that very dark brown color which I have is this. Okay, this is from the brand Fay Beauty, and this is one of my favorite brown lip color to lip line. Okay, borrow dark color though, it's all dark color though. Okay, very chocolatey type of color, and to line the lips and all borhato. So I love this color, the shade from the Fay Beauty. So next we have from the brand Nykaa Beauty. Okay, this is the first purchase which I brought from this Nykaa app. This is the Madras Kapi. Okay, very nice nude, very nice perfect nude color for everyday wear. For everyday wear, I'll show you. That is the old one, and this is the recently which I've bought. This is perfect for everyday wear. This is how it looks on my skin, perfect for everyday wear. Okay, so yeah, I have two of these. These are like nudish colors. Then I have again from the brand Nykaa itself, which my friend gifted me when she came down over here. We bought this from the store. So one is in the shade Your Latte, and the other one is Brownie Points. Okay, so the Your Latte is a very beautiful everyday nude color to wear on daily basis. So it looks very nice. I'll show you all how it looks on my skin. Okay, I have to lip line it, but it looks very nice, very pretty. And yeah, the Brownie Points is very beautiful color that guy suggested me over there, because they know better, right, how which color suits on every skin tone. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it's a bullet lipstick. Isn't it so beautiful? So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so next we have a mauvish pinky color, mauve. Okay, it's a petal mauve from the brand Lakme, and this is also my favorite mauve color. It is. I won't put it on my lips, but I'll show you how it looks on mine. This thing, a swatch of it. Okay, perfect for everyday wear. See, this is how it looks, and very pretty color. Okay, here's another one, a nude color from the brand Kiro Beauty, and I'll tell you all guys, if a lip line bin can lilo no, it looks that good. So yeah, a perfect brownish nude, perfect nude color. So yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, I'll just मुझे स्किन टोन शायद कॉडपा ना तो बिकॉज ऑफ आई हैव अप्लाइड लिप टेंट ऑल्सो सो या okay, then we have some yeah, another one which I have is this one from the brand Lakme itself, 9 to 5. I don't use this much because I don't like the shade on me. I don't know, I have to find some other way to wear this lipstick, I feel. So this is how it looks. Okay, well, I don't like it much, but what a high, so this can use good pa desi looks and all. But yeah, so here are the red lipsticks which I have. Okay, this was the first one which I bought, and I don't use it as a lipstick because the much transfer zata, but I use it as a blush. So yes, this is a red, perfect red for everyday, you know, red, those who like red lipsticks. I'll show it over here. Okay, this is the first one. This is from the Lakme 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse lipstick. Okay, then this is again from Maybelline. Okay, Maybelline liquid matte lipstick, and Flush It Red is the shade. This is also a perfect red. Okay, this is how it looks. बहुत ही सादा कलर सगळ्यांचे बहुत this color, especially brown skin tone and all, and those who, you know, use the lip liner, cherry cola lips and all. And this is my recent purchase from the brand Lakme itself in the shade, this is a lip mousse again, this is in the shade Crimson Sky. Okay, very cute bottle. See, I'll show you. Very it is long hard. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you how it looks. So pretty, right? And especially if you line your lips and all, it will look even more beautiful. So yeah, so this is how it looks. These are my red lipsticks. Then I have a maroon shade, a dark wine maroon shade. This is from the brand Sugar. Okay, and it is in the shade Toast Roast. Okay, 42, and it is a very pretty color, and it looks perfect. It's a matte lipstick, so online dakoi na. Here, this is how it looks, and it's a very pretty color, guys. Like Hitachi Rouge, like, you know, if you're like very dark colors and all, so like this it looks. Okay, so yeah, then another one which I have is this from the Inside Cosmetics. Okay, Toy Baroha, like dark color, maroon color, but I don't usually wear this because I'm a brown skin tone, as I told all, but I feel like my skin tone to suit zaina. But yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, purple color kind of. I don't use it much. So yeah, this is also a matte lipstick. And the other ones which I have purchased it from market, like it is called as Clemmy Cosmetics. I don't use it anymore. And this is again from the brand Superstay. I don't know, Superstay, Maybelline Superstay, I guess. I don't know, I don't use it. This is nude. Okay, you have to pair it up with something, this thing. You have to pair it up with a lip liner, especially it will wash out my skin tone. So yeah, that's it. And I guess I have showed you all the lipsticks. And now I have to show you all this lip stain markers. These are from the brand Mucha Beauty, and I have her lipstick also. I forgot to show you all in the shade Pookie. Okay, it looks so pretty if you pair it up with this lip liner. This is in the shade Burr, and I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it is like that only, Burr. Okay, so yeah, this is in the shade Pookie and this is in the shade Burr. And yeah, edgy story, I'll upload a reel on it maybe, but yes, this is how it looks. It literally washes out my skin tone, but then if I pair it up with a dark lip liner, it looks very very pretty, and I use it as a blush as well. So yes, so this was my lipstick collection. This was my lipstick collection. Now I'll show you all the lip oil collection. I'll show you lip oil and lip gloss as well. So yes, so these are my lip oils. Okay, these are my lip oils and lip glosses. So I'll show you all the collection. I'll show you all how it looks on my skin. Okay, so these are the Fay Beauty lip glosses. Okay, the other one I gave it to my friend, and yeah, these are the two ones in I reel gailo, so y'all can go and watch it over there. Okay, so yes, so these are the two lip oils and the lip gloss which was gifted to me by my cousin as well. So these are from the NYX Cosmetics. This is a fat lip drip oil, and it is from the NYX Professional Makeup, and it is in the shade Inside Scoop. Okay, both of them I have used this one, and the other one I haven't used. And this is the nudish butter gloss lip gloss. Okay, butter gloss is the name of the shade. Sorry, the name of the shade is Madeline. So yes, okay, this is a nude color, and this is a perfect I don't know, like a very perfect mauve color it is. Okay. This is how it looks on me. So yes, so these are the clear glosses which I have. One is from the Lamel Beauty, and other one is from the Rude Beauty. I guess it is because the name is gone from here. I will just put a picture, you all can check it out. Or it's on Nykaa. This as well as from Nykaa. So this I purchased from my own money, saved money. So yes, these were the clear ones, but which color, I know after applying on the lipstick and all, it is gone. So yeah, this is the like this. It looks very nice, a perfect shine which it will give. Perfect shine it will give. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is my favorite lip oil from the brand Elf Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Honey Talks. This is my favorite. I don't use it much, but it is very very hydrating. It looks like cooling sensation and okay. It makes my lips look very very puffy, and it makes my lips look very soft. It makes my lips very soft, looks very nice, and especially when you pair it up with a lip liner, it will look even more beautiful. I will create a lip combo with this. I just wanted to show you all. So yes, that's how I open it up today, or else I haven't used it earlier. Like only once I had tried it up, but yeah, I'm feeling that cooling sensation on my lips right now, and it is very very pretty. The shade looks very nice on my skin as well. So yes, this is highly recommended, and this also my friend has gifted me. So yeah. Okay, and this is the DM Beauty. This is again a mauve color kind of. Okay, smells really nice, smells really nice, actually very nice. And yes, this was my lip gloss collection. Then I'll show you all my lip liner collection. So these are my lip liners actually. Even these I use as lip liners because it looks very very nice. Okay, so these are my lip liners. Most of my lip liners are only browns and dark brown, nudes, and like that kind of colors. I don't use any other colors, but my most used one is these from the Mars Beauty. This is in the shade cocoa butter, whatever it is, in the shade of that. Okay, it looks very nice, very pretty dark brown shade it is. Here it is. I have restocked another one because I use it the most, so I can't find that one. Here. So here it is, cocoa butter. This is a new one which I bought, and this is almost going to get over kind of because I use it the most. Then I have from the Elf Beauty. This my cousin has gifted me, meaning she gave it to me, so I have almost used it. And this is from the Elf Beauty, and it is in the shade, I don't know, the shade is not there. I will search it on the Nykaa and I'll show you all, but she got this from UK, so I'll search it on Nykaa app. Then I have this from the Clemmy Beauty as well. The name is gone, but this is a perfect brown, affordable price. Even the Mars Cosmetics are in the affordable price, and even Elf is, I guess, in the the price range is a little bit higher. It is 300 rupees, but very very nice. From Mars I have many lip liners. I have these two in the shade Scandalous Brown, and the other one is Deep Down, I guess. Yes, Deep Down. It looks very very nice if you pair it up with any lipstick. This is the Scandalous Brown. I recently sharpened them all here. And this is Deep Dawn. 3 different shades they are. Okay, perfect for everyday wear and affordable as well. Then I have these from the Clemmy Cosmetics. This was the one. This is again a brown shade. Okay, this is again a brown shade. This is how it looks, but yeah, I don't use it much actually. I have another one from here. Okay, here it is. This was another one, the Clemmy Cosmetics only, so I purchased it again. It's the same shade basically. Here, same shade it is. Okay, then I have this Swiss Beauty lip liner. 2 I have from this brand, Swiss Beauty, a dark brown color. It is in the shade dark chocolate is a shade from the Swiss Beauty. Very dark, looks very nice when you want to do cherry cola lips or any this thing. And this is, I don't know, the shade is cherry brown. I used it just once, I guess. Oh, looks very nice. I have to create a lip combo with this. So yeah. These are from the brand NYX Cosmetics. This also my friend has gifted me. Okay, she has given me this. So this is a mauve color, but it washes out my skin tone. But yeah, I pair it up with some darker lip liner and I use it, so it looks very nice. This is in the shade mauve. Okay, this is in the shade mauve. So this is how it looks. Okay, it washes out my skin tone, but yeah, I use it with a darker lip liner or something like that. And this is in the shade cocoa. Okay, very nudish brownish color. Okay, this is how it looks. So yes, then again I have from the brand not Clemmy, actually, this is a matte lip pencil. I have purchased this from Margao, like from those stores there. Okay, looks very nice. I got, actually what happened is I had this shade, but I went for next time over there. I purchased the same shade. I wanted some other, but I by mistakenly I purchased the same shade. So yes, this is a very this is a maroonish color, dark maroon. So this is how it looks. Okay, both are the same shades, no difference in that. Very reasonable. I got this for ₹100, I guess. Then I have two from the Clemmy Cosmetics once again, and no, sorry, one is from Miss Claire and the other one is from Clemmy Cosmetics. This, I'm sorry, this is from the Miss Claire as well. Once again, very affordable, looks very nice. So Miss Claire, the other one which I showed you earlier. Miss Claire, I don't use this shade on daily basis, but it's a pink, this kind of pink. I don't like it much, but yeah, let's create a lip combo some other day. I'll show you how it looks. I don't know, it is in the shade lovely pink. Those who like the fair skin tone, and it would really look nice on their skin tone, but not on me. So, and finally I have this lip liner from the Sugar Cosmetics, I mean Sugar Pop Cosmetics. This is a different from the sugar one. So yeah, then I have few lip balms, like I'll show you all that. This two, one is from the Dot and Key and the other one is from the Laneige. This is my favorite. To get lips itu soft kota hai. And then the recent one which my friend gifted me once again, that is from the Vaseline. It is so good. I had another one that is in pink, but I don't know where I kept that. So yeah, this is another one which my friend gifted me, and this I have purchased from my own money. And this is from Laneige, one of the best this thing. This is the tub kind of thing. The other one is from Tube Beta. Toy I never can I use Kelna, but yeah, this is nice. So I would like to, you know, get another the other ones as well. So yes, that was it of my lip product collection. And so that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you all want more such vlogs, then do let me know in the comment section. If you all want my perfume collection or all these videos, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll do it for you all. And also give me the feedback. It is more important. तुमगे feedback मग जायो इसको तुम video like जाता है या ना ते सगळे जाण जापा. So yeah, that's it I wanted to say. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you all in the next vlog. Bye guys.